Alright, here we are at the Harry Potter store here in Chicago. It's insane, but I've never really cared about Harry Potter, but I get it. This is a fantasy world. There's all kinds of stuff here. Just kind of like my Blacklock store. If you come here, this is your Nirvana. Sweatshirts, you name it. Someone's making a lot of money on this stuff. There's all kinds of fun stuff here. It's unbelievable. Adults, kids. Spinning the bucket here. Watermelon. Chocolate. Frogs. 12 bucks. Oh my goodness. This is pretty crazy. It's still Mr. Popularity. That's what it is. Look at that. Candy. Dark chocolate. Oh my word. Yep. Harry Potter store. More sweets and treats. We went to the Starbucks store to use the bathroom. 3 stories. Kind of a plastic. So I guess if someone really liked you, this is somebody for. You put a drink in there. You could drink out of that thing, or you could make it. You could put I don't know, make a bowl out of it. I guess I don't know. So it's whatever this is. I have no idea. The costume probably for somebody that really likes it. Harry Potter, Chicago. Another water bottle. I mean, I like this. It's kind of cool. It's 20 bucks. It's kind of cool. Chessboard. Toy stores. We got it. These are kind of cool. Interesting to say the least. My dogs would tear these apart. My dogs would tear these apart. 15 bucks. Oh my goodness. Exclusive beer. Butter beer. All right. Harry Potter, Chicago. This sweatshirt. You can buy this bad boy for. It's really cheap, but. If we get over here, this is where the beer. We can get all the glasses and stuff. Kind of a nice glass. It'd be interesting to buy one and see how it tastes. Bottled butter beer for $7. It'd be interesting to buy one and see for $7. That'd be interesting to see how that would taste. Huh. It must be a selling one. But you can tell there's all kinds of stuff here. People are buying this stuff like it's Christmas morning. Good Lord. Got a necklace. Rings. I think it was all bought. I think a ring or something like that. I don't know, something like that. I don't know. Here. Coffee cups. More sweatshirts. Water bottle. Yeah. Yep. you're a Harry Potter person, you got pens, you got everything. Hats galore. Where this stuff is. Everything Harry Potter. Good Lord. More of the beer right there, you saw that already. And of course, artifacts, where it all started. You get the books by the movie. Oh, look at this. Here's your sweatshirt. Probably not cheap. You want to get a hat, you get that. Another water bottle, more pens. That's a nice one. I like that color. It's nice. You got socks. You can be more cups. Lord. The wands. Oh my goodness.
Celebration.
Hogwarts, you can wear that. So these must be part of the movie, I guess. I have no idea. I must say I've never seen it. Hogwarts is my home. It just kind of reminds me of Disney. $75 for this. So it's like a Disney. People come here, they're in their nirvana, like the Daily Woo, right? Oh my God. Purses. These are $45. Jesus. That's it.
Why do they have jerky?
We got all. Get over here and you get into more plush toys. What the hell these things are? I have no idea. Whatever these things are. I give this to my dog, he'd be dead in 10 minutes. $10.
Wax feels cool.
Oh my goodness. More toys. Harry Potter Lego set. I don't know if they're still doing the move. Oh, here's the geek. Here's the head geek right here. So you want a head geek? Let's say it's $12, I think. Here you go, Sue Ellen. $45. Goodness. So they've got these wands and stuff that they're selling. They can all this stuff right here. It's like, oh my goodness. $39 character wands you can buy and be a total idiot. This place is crazy. It's
I didn't realize it was going to be this. I mean, how far it goes back.
Oh yeah. All right, so we'll work my way out. Look at that thing right down there. $90. I don't know what I can't see. God. It's like a Disney nirvana for people.
Well, they have a new area at Studios for.
Oh, they do? Yeah. More pens. All right. I'll follow you out. I'll be out momentarily. Meet you out there.
I'm not going out until you're there.
All right. Hogwarts. More stuff. I mean, it's just It's crazy, man. Oh, that's kind of cute. Rab claw. Oh my goodness. This is the Disney man of Mr. Popularity. Jesus. Gonna get him over here. More stuff over here. So all you people here have the time of your lives. Well, anyways. Harry Potter store. Chicago. We have the time. Alright. Anyways. Let's work our way out. But we got some more stuff here. Buttons. Alright, Sue Ellen. Shall we? Yeah, we did it. Harry Potter store. Chicago. We had the time of our lives. Here we go. There it is. Whatever that thing is. Well, anyways. Alright, guys.
No.
There it is. Harry Potter
No,
store.
it's not.
We had the time of our lives.